Hi students, today in this video we go for standard 8 English chapter number 4. The name of the chapter is Bipin Chaudhary's Maps of Memory. This story is about one man, Bipin Babu, who has maps of memory, so he forgot his stay at Ranchi. He believes that he has never been to Ranchi, though there are many witnesses to the contrary. What is the suspense all about now? Let's we see in the story. And now we start the story. And here is the story that every Monday on his way back from work, Bipin Chaudhary would drop in at Kalicharan's in New Market to buy books. Every Monday, Bipin Babu goes at the New Market at Kalicharan's shop to buy books. And the books are specially crime stories, ghost stories, and thrillers. The books are mainly types of crime stories and ghost stories and thrillers. These suspense stories books he liked very much. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. Through the week means he buy at least 5 books for a week to read. He lived alone. He has no any family member at his home. Was not a good mixture. He has no fond to meet with people, and he was not a good mixture. He had few friends. He had very few friends, and didn't like spending time in idle chat. He don't want to spend his time in idle chat means unnecessary talking. Today at Kalicharan's, today what happened, one incident that Bipin Babu had the feeling that someone was observing him from close quarters. Bipin Babu has had the feeling, means he felt that someone was observing me from the close quarters. He turned around, turned his face and found himself that looking at a round-faced, meek-looking man. He saw that one man, and the man was meek-looking, means humble, quiet man, and his face was round, who now broke into a smile, and the man was smiling at Bipin Chaudhary. I don't suppose you recognize me. Bipin said that I don't think that you recognize me. You know me. Have we met before? Asked Bipin Babu. Bipin Babu asked to that man that have we met before? You know me? You know my name? The man looked greatly surprised. The man became very surprised that this man is asking to me that have we met before? We met every day for a whole week. The man said that we met every day for a whole week. Means whole week we met every day for a week. I arranged for a car to take you to Hundru Falls. The man said that I have arranged a car for you to take you Hundru Falls when you want to go there at Hundru Falls. So I am knowing very well you. So this is the first part of the story that one man observing Bipin at Kalicharan's shop, and the man exclaimed that I know you very well. And now we go for the second part. And this is the next page. In 1958 in Ranchi, my name is Parimal Ghosh. Ranchi. The man said that we met in 1958 in Ranchi. We met in Ranchi. The man said, Bipin Babu, that we met in Ranchi. My name is Parimal Ghosh. The man said his name to Bipin Babu. Ranchi. Bipin Babu asks, Ranchi? Because he surprised to see the name, listen the name of Ranchi. Now Bipin Babu realized that it was not he, but this man who was making a mistake. Bipin Babu thought that it is not my mistake that I am not knowing that man, but it was his mistake that he mistaking that at Ranchi we met in 1958. Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. He had been at the point of going several times but never made it. He smiled and said, do you know who I am? Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. Bipin Babu thought that he had never been. He never went to Ranchi. He had been at the point of going several times. Means he had been at the point. Means Bipin Babu was sure that he had never been Ranchi. He smiled and said, "Do you know who I am?" He smiled. Bipin Babu smiled and said that man, "That do you know who I am? What is my name?" The man raised his eyebrows, bit his tongue and said, "Do I know you?" "Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary?" The man, knowing very well Bipin Babu, and said that I am knowing you very very well. Do I know? Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? Means who did not you? Who doesn't not you? Who doesn't know you, Bipin Chaudhary? The man know his name, that this man's name is Bipin Chaudhary. So this is the second part, and now we go for the third part. And this is the third part. Bipin Babu now turned towards the bookshelves and said, "Still you are making a mistake." Bipin Babu said that still you are making mistake, that I am not knowing you and you know my name. One often does. Means often you making a mistake. I have never been to Ranchi. I had never been to Ranchi. Means I never went there. The man now laughed aloud. The man became very very surprised and he was laughing loudly. "What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary?" The man asking to Bipin that what are you saying? You had a fall in Hundru and cut your right knee. You had a fall in Hundru. In Hundru fall, you had a fall, means you fallen down there and you cut your right knee. I brought you iodine. I give a medicine. I had fixed up a car for you to go to the Netherhead the next day. The man was sure that he is Bipin Chaudhary, and he met him in Ranchi and said that you had a cut at your right knee at Hundru when you fallen down, and there I brought you iodine. I give you medicine and I had fixed up a car for you. I arranged car for you to go to Netherhead the next day. Netherhead is a name of a place, but you couldn't because of the pain in the knee. But you could not go there because you had a pain in your right knee. Can't you recall anything? Recall means remember. Can you remember anything? Can't you remember anything? Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time. Someone else is there who know you at Ranchi, you met at Ranchi someone else. The man said that I am not alone that met you at Ranchi, but someone else is there, Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. And now the man said that man's name, that Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee also knowing you. You stayed in a bungalow. You said you didn't like hotel food and would you prefer you have your meals cooked by a bawarchi. Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee, and you stayed in a bungalow of him, and you said him that you didn't like hotel food. So you stayed in a bungalow of Dinesh Mukherjee, and you preferred that you liked the meals cooked by a bawarchi. Bawarchi means cook. And now we go for the next part. And this is the third page. Now Mr. Parimal Ghosh said one other thing, that Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. You had a big argument about the moon landing with him. Means Parimal said that Mr. Mukherjee was know you, and he stayed with his sister, and you had a big argument about the moon landing. Means who was the first man who landing on the moon. About this topic you had argument with Dinesh Mukherjee. Have you remember anything? I will tell you more. Now Parimal goes said that I will tell you more things that you can remember the things. You always carried a bag with your books in it on your sightseeing trips. When you go outside, you always carried a bag uh, with your books because you liked books very much. Am I right or not? Am I right that you carried bag everywhere where you go? Bipin Babu spoke quietly, his eyes still on the books. Bipin Babu spoke quietly means he became very surprised and he became very silent. His eyes still on the books and his eyes are on the books on the at the soap. Which month in 15:8 are you talking about? Now Bipin Babu asked a question to that man that which month are you talking about in 1580? In year 1580? Fifth, the man said 58. Sorry, in year 58. The man said October. The man said that this is talking about month October in 58. No sir, said Bipin Babu. I spent puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur. Now Bipin Babu said that no sir, it is not possible because I spent this October month in puja in 58 with a friend in Kanpur because I spent this October month in Kanpur with my friend at puja. You are making a mistake. Good day. You are making a mistake. It is your mistake that you said that we met in Ranchi. So have a good day. Now Bipin Babu said that this man is joking, so he want to escape from here and he said that good day. And now we go for the next part. And this is the next part that but the man didn't go, nor did he stop talking. When Bipin Babu said that this is your mistake that you said that I have been Ranchi but it is not true, so good day and you can leave now. But the man didn't go. The man did not go and he stopped his talking. Very strange. One evening I had tea with you in a veranda of your bungalow. The man said that it is very strange that you forget all things. Now he said one another thing that one evening I had tea. One evening I drank tea with you at your bungalow, at the veranda of your bungalow. You spoke about your family. You spoke on that day about your family, that you said you had no children and that you had lost your wife 10 years ago. This is the things that you said on that day to me, that you had no children and you lost your wife 10 years ago. Your only brother had died insane, which is why you didn't want to visit the mental hospital in Ranchi. Means your brother had died insane. Here insane means mental hospital. So that's why your brother had died in that hospital. So that's why you don't want to visit at mental hospital in Ranchi. When Bipin Babu had paid for the books and was leaving the soap, the man was still looking at him in utter disbelief. When Bipin Babu want to escape from here and he want to leave now, so he had paid for the books and was leaving the soap, and the man was still looking with surprise. Utter disbelief means complete surprise, that the man became very surprised that how he didn't know me, means how he don't know me, means the man was very surprised to know that Bipin Babu was not knowing him. So this is the first part of the story, Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory, that Parimal Ghosh gives many clues of him to remember the things, but Bipin Babu has no any idea that he had been Ranchi in 1958. And the second part we will see in the next video, and this first part you can read from your Honeydew textbook, page number 59, 60 and 61. Thank you.